In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put custom link in Kit landing page. We are going to do this directly inside the Kit landing page editor. And the process is very similar whether you are linking a button or linking a piece of text. The main idea is simple. Select what you want people to click, add the link, and then save and publish so the change goes live. First, go to the Grow section in your Kit account. From there, click on Landing Pages and Forms. You will see a list of your pages. Find the landing page you want to edit and select it to open the editor. Take a moment to confirm you are working on the correct page, especially if you have multiple pages with similar names. Next, decide what you want to turn into a link. If you are linking a button, click directly on the button in the editor so it is selected. If you are linking text instead, highlight the exact words you want visitors to click. It is best to keep linked text clear and specific, so people know what will happen when they click. Now you will add the URL. If you selected a button, look to the right sidebar where the button settings appear. If you highlighted text, look along the top toolbar above the editor. In either case, find and click the link icon. This opens the link field where you can add your destination. Paste your URL into that field. Make sure the link is correct and complete. A quick tip is to use the full web address so it works reliably, and double-check for extra spaces at the beginning or end, since that can break the link. Once your URL is in place, click Save to keep your changes in the editor. Then click Publish to update the live page. Saving alone usually does not update what visitors see, so publishing is the final step that pushes your new link to the public version of the landing page. That covers everything you need to know.